I've made well over $100,000 making this viral Instagram reels you've probably seen on your feed, without spending a single penny. I've made all this along running 4 other businesses aside. I started out as a newbie, knowing nothing about reels, into making 6 figures now. As easy and untapped the field is, no doubt you will succeed if you follow the steps as I walk you through, and show you how exactly I did it with every step, and how you can too. Now create your Insta account, or you can use an existing one. So now, let's go make some cash. Step 1, the reels. So to make the reels, I used AI-generated interesting photos with the theme of old day painting. So to make one of this, head on to Midjourney. I'm just kidding. I've tested hundreds of free AI image generators, and these are the top best. In my case, I will use Stable Diffusion, so write down your ideal image descriptively. Have no ideas? Go to Pinterest and search for any type of quote you like to make a video for. Don't forget to keep it short, simple, and interesting. For my case, let's search for a broken heart. Sad quotes. Okay, I've got this one, so now let's get back to Stable Diffusion and get creative. Search for a lady standing. I mean, sitting down holding a flower. Desperate broken heart. And now choose your ratio. So now we have our photo. Congratulations, half the work is done. Step 2, voiceover. I'm gonna use AI for this too, and by far the best AI for this kind of content is Grade 11 Labs. So now, without wasting any time, head on to 11 Labs and paste the quotes from Pinterest. Make the adjustments as you like. Step 3, editing. There are many options since this is a minimalistic video, but I use CapCut and KineMaster the most. Open CapCut and import the photos we've generated along the audio. Wait, we forgot one thing. Background music. So for this, we go on YouTube and search for non-copyright, whatever suits your video theme. In my case, it's a quote. So I will go with old classics of Mozart staff and download the MP3 using this converter. Import it to CapCut. Boom, we've now got our video. Now it's time for branding. I will go deeper into how to make a successful branding in the next video. But for now, the basics are enough. So create your name and profile that suits your content. You can use Canva or Stable Diffusion itself to create one. Now select your video. Use simple title and insert hashtags and click upload. Now you've officially uploaded your first video. Make more videos like this and upload 1 video a day. When I first started, my views were not that much, but I just kept uploading till one day I wake up and found out I got famous. Got views. So don't let the numbers demotivate you. Stay consistent. So now you're probably asking how I actually made money. Well, here is how. When I made my first viral video, my views started peaking up. Even previous videos started to get views, and a brand messaged me for a promo. But for the most part, I was emailing companies. And if you think emailing companies is hard, well, it's the opposite. If you haven't already built attention, which is views, you don't need to worry about getting rejected. But if you still doubt, I will drop you a free emailing PDF down below that you can just copy the email form. By the way, once you have the views coming in, it's just so easy to get accepted by companies, because who hates to get their products displayed in front of hundreds of thousands? So one thing to keep in mind is that just like any other business Insta-reel is a marathon, not a sprinter. If you want to make some real money, my friend, take off your focus from obsessing over the outcome that you have no control over, and put it on creating more quality content and staying consistent. I was Becca, and I will be revealing how I've managed to create multiple sources of income online. So make sure to keep your notifications on so you won't miss any of the latest strategies to make money. Thank you for watching.